My name is Dan Janik. I'm an associate professor of biology here at UWC, and the course we're talking about is IDIS 125 Brain. It's an introduction to the field of neuroscience. Probably the most basic objective of the course is to introduce students who take the course to the field of neuroscience and all its major sub areas. Okay, so and have them gain an appreciation for the multidisciplinarity of the field. So neuroscience is an area that probably about 40 or 50 years ago didn't exist as a field unto itself, and certainly has evolved a lot over the last few decades, but now would be considered sort of a conglomerate of a number of different fields. Certainly biology is one of them, but psychology is a major, the field of psychology is a major contributor to neuroscience, as is medicine, as is physics, even philosophy, and a lot of health related areas. So it involves a lot of different, I guess you might call traditional academic and scientific fields, but it also includes several different levels of analysis, from behavioral and social aspects of analysis to body organ analysis to cellular and molecular analysis of how the nervous system works. One of the things we have going on in the course is the next 2 weeks in the lab we have a neuroscience experiment that students in the course will be doing. So what's going to be happening is students will be performing experiments on themselves, where they're going to be hooked up to this device that measures galvanic skin response. And they'll be looking at the output of their autonomic nervous system as displayed on a computer. To a large extent, most of the students who are in the course aren't going to be going on in anything certainly directly related to neuroscience. So I would like them to take away certainly an appreciation of, on a personal level, of how their brain works and what they're using it for in a more sort of deliberate way to think about what their brain is doing for them and why. Okay, that would be the most immediate thing I would like to for them to take away from the course. The other thing perhaps is to get students interested in pursuing the field of neuroscience, to maybe do follow-up studies, or maybe even consider an educational program or career either directly in or related to neuroscience.